Hi friends, মোৰ নাম কৌশিক কুমাৰ নাথ। ৰেলৱে গ্ৰুপ ডিৰ এক্সামত জেনেৰেল সায়েন্সৰ ওপৰত বহুতখিনি কুৱেশ্যন আহে। ফিজিক্স, কেমিষ্ট্ৰি আৰু বায়'লজিৰ ওপৰত 2012 আৰু 2013 চনত কি কুৱেশ্যন আহিছিলে চাই লওঁ আহকচোন। Question 1, rectifier is used for answer A, AC to DC. Question 2, conduction takes place mainly in answer A, solids. Question 3, Triton is the largest moon of which planet? Answer C, Neptune. Question 4, which part of the eye is used when the eye is donated? Answer B, cornea. Question 5, the vitamin which is liable to be destroyed during cooking is? Answer D, vitamin C. Question 6, which of the following disease is caused by the bite of a mad dog? Answer B, hydrophobia. Question 7, rayon is chemically? Answer A, cellulose. Question 8, which cell is very long in human body? Answer A, nerve cell. Question 9, sound travels fastest in? Answer C, solids. Question 10, a body is dropped from a certain height from the ground when it is halfway down its process. Answer B, both kinetic energy and potential energy. Question 11, as compared to pure water, a body in salty water will? Answer A, sink more. Question 12, thermal radiation are? Answer C, electromagnetic waves. Question 13, for a good health, humidity of a room should be about? Answer A, 50%. Question 14, the common alarm is? Answer potassium alarm. Question 15, a primary cell converts? Answer A, chemical energy into electrical energy. Question 16, on applying a constant force to a body, it moves with uniform? Answer B, acceleration. Friends, আমাৰ এই চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব। জেনেৰেল সায়েন্সৰ পাৰ্ট 2 ভিডিঅ'টো মই সোনকালে দি আছোঁ যাতে আপোনালোকে মিছ নকৰে। Question 17, which of the following is attracted by magnet? Answer B, iron filings. Question 18, what type of the star is the sun? Answer B, dwarf. Question 19, a mixture of sand and salt can be separated by? Answer D, dissolving salt in water and then distillation. Question 20, resistor is used to? Answer C, reduce current. Friends, ভিডিঅ'টো চাই যদি ভাল লাগিছে লাইক কৰিব, কমেণ্ট কৰিব আৰু চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। ছাবস্ক্ৰাইবৰ ওচৰত থকা ন'টিফিকেশ্যন বেলটো অন কৰি দিব যাতে আমাৰ সকলো ভিডিঅ' আপোনালোকে চাবলৈ পাৰে। আজিলৈ ইমানেই, ধন্যবাদ।